Two flagship killers, two power-packed devices, one big question: which one deserves your hard-earned money? The Poco X7 Pro and the OnePlus 13R both promise flagship-level features without the flagship price. But which one actually delivers? Let's find out. The design philosophy of these devices couldn't be more different. Both phones come with Gorilla Glass 7i on the front, giving them solid durability. The Poco X7 Pro opts for a more flashy aesthetic with its vegan leather finish in signature yellow, creating an instantly recognizable look, or the Nebula Green variant, which features a dual-tone design that's equally striking. The OnePlus 13R keeps it sleek with muted tones like Astral Trail and Nebula Noir. The Poco X7 Pro has a plastic frame with flat edges, while the OnePlus 13R has an aluminum build, making it feel more premium in the hand. In the durability department, the OnePlus 13R sports an IP65 rating, while the Poco X7 Pro takes it up a notch with IP69 certification. The Poco X7 Pro features a 6.6-inch AMOLED panel with a 1.5K resolution that's capable of hitting an impressive 3200 nits of peak brightness, though our testing showed real-world brightness maxing at around 1678 nits. The panel supports HDR10+ and Dolby Vision, making it excellent for multimedia consumption. In our color accuracy test, the Poco X7 Pro managed an average delta E of 3.1 in the DCI-P3 color space. Upon further testing, we found out that the X7 Pro's display is tuned to be brighter than the reference, and the white point is also cooler than standard. In comparison, the OnePlus 13R has a 6.7-inch ProXDR AMOLED display that uses LTPO 4.1 technology and supports Dolby Vision and HDR Vivid Playback. It excels in color accuracy with a delta E of 0.8 and covers 99% of the DCI-P3 gamut. HDR content looks slightly better on the OnePlus due to the better color optimization, and outdoor visibility is excellent on both, but OnePlus shows more consistent performance. Both phones have AquaTouch 2.0 and Wet Touch Display 2.0 for use in rainy conditions, and the 13R also gets a glove mode. Now let's talk about raw power. The Poco X7 Pro comes equipped with MediaTek's Dimensity 8400 Ultra chipset, and in real-world testing, it's proven to be a capable performer. During intensive gaming sessions with titles like Call of Duty Mobile, Genshin Impact, the phone maintains consistent frame rates and manages heat effectively thanks to its liquid-cooled 2.0 technology and a large vapor cooling chamber. The OnePlus 13R, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, flexes its muscles when it comes to performance, scoring higher in Antutu, Geekbench and GPU benchmarks. But interestingly, the Poco X7 Pro actually wins in the PC Mark Work benchmark, which means it is slightly better optimized for day-to-day multitasking. In our CPU throttling test, it maintained 73 to 79% of its peak performance under sustained load, which is significantly better than the X7 Pro. Gaming-wise, the OnePlus 13R holds higher sustained frame rates thanks to better thermal management. The Poco X7 Pro, while smooth, tends to throttle faster under extended gaming sessions. The software experience is where these phones truly differentiate themselves. The Poco X7 Pro runs HyperOS 2 based on Android 15, bringing in some significant performance improvements and AI features in notes translation and recorder. However, the presence of bloatware remains a concern, though most can be uninstalled or disabled. OnePlus's Oxygen OS 15 feels more refined and brings several AI-powered features to the table. The new Magic Compose feature for text editing and intelligent search using Gemini are genuine improvements to daily usability. In addition, the commitment to 4 years of major Android updates and 6 years of security patches gives the OnePlus 13R a significant advantage in long-term value as opposed to Poco's 3+4 years of update policy. The camera systems on both phones show just how far the mid-range photography has come. The Poco X7 Pro's 50-megapixel Sony LYT600 primary sensor captures impressive daylight photos with vibrant colors and good dynamic range. Portrait mode delivers good-looking bokeh effects, though edge detection isn't always perfect. The 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera provides decent landscape shots but struggles with edge distortion. The OnePlus 13R is the clear winner with its 50-megapixel Sony LYT-700 sensor. The addition of a dedicated 50-megapixel telephoto lens transforms the photography experience, enabling high-quality 2x optical zoom and superior portrait shots which are sharper, more detailed with better background separation. The new dual exposure algorithm particularly shines in moving shots, capturing both short and long exposures simultaneously and ensures that you never miss the moment. Nighttime pictures also look better on the OnePlus 13R as it captures more light with less noise. Battery life testing revealed some surprising results. Despite the Poco X7 Pro's larger 6550 mAh silicon carbon battery, it managed only about 12.5 hours in our PC Mark battery test. The 90-watt fast charging is impressive though, taking just 48 minutes for a full charge. The OnePlus 13R with its 6000 mAh battery actually delivered better endurance, lasting about 22 hours in the same test. Our real-world testing included heavy gaming, video streaming, and constant social media use, consistently ending days with 30 to 35% battery remaining. The 80-watt charging might seem relatively slower, but 50 minutes for a full charge is still excellent. Both these phones prove they are worthy contenders in the mid-range segment, but which one should you buy? The Poco X7 Pro offers incredible value and is great for budget-conscious buyers who want a flashy design, solid performance, a decent display, and fast charging. The OnePlus 13R justifies its higher price with a premium build, superior camera capabilities, better sustained performance, and longer software support. Your choice ultimately depends on your priorities and budget. If you are looking for the absolute best value under 30,000, the Poco X7 is hard to beat. But if you can stretch your budget to 42K, the OnePlus 13R delivers a more refined experience that will stay relevant for years to come. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.